Alright, we're going to look at some examples of simplifying rational expressions. The first one is 2x over x squared minus 4x. First we want to do is take the numerator and find the factors of 2x, which in this case are 2 and an x, because 2 times x will give me a 2x. Now I'm going to look for the factors of x squared minus 4x. Notice there is a GCF, or greatest common factor, and that GCF is x. Both terms have an x. If I multiply that x with another x, x times x would give me the x squared. And if I multiply x times a negative 4, that gives me the negative 4x. Therefore the factors of x squared minus 4x are x and x minus 4. Now that I have both the numerator and the denominator factored, what we're going to do now is cancel out some common factors. We're going to cancel out this x and this x. Those are common factors. Therefore I'm left with 2 as my numerator, and I'm left with x minus 4 for my denominator. Therefore this rational expression simplifies to 2 over x minus 4. Alright, example number 2. We've got a squared minus 4a over a squared minus 16. Again, what we're going to do is take the numerator and find the factors of a squared minus 4a. First of all, there is a GCF, or greatest common factor, and that is a. They both have a in each of the terms. A times another a would give me an a squared. A times a negative 4 would give me a negative 4a. So at this point I've just factored my numerator. Now I'm going to go to the denominator and factor it. A squared minus 16. To factor this, I'm going to have to use my difference of squares. The square root of a squared is a. The square root of 16 is 4. Therefore the two factors are a minus 4 and a plus 4. So these are the factors of a squared minus 16. Again, that's called the difference of squares. Now that I've got both the numerator and the denominator factored, now we can cancel out some common factors. In this case, those common factors are going to be the a minus 4. And what I'm left with is a for my numerator and a plus 4 for my denominator. Therefore, a squared minus 4a over a squared minus 16 can be simplified to a over a plus 4. Alright, third example. We've got x minus 8 as our numerator and x squared minus 7x minus 8 as our denominator. Again, what we want to do is factor both the numerator and the denominator. Well, in this case, x minus 8 has no GCF. I can't factor it. Therefore, I'm going to leave it as x minus 8. Again, x minus 8 cannot be factored. Now I'm going to go down to the denominator and try and factor it. I've got x squared minus 7x minus 8. This is a trinomial. And what we're going to do is we're going to try and factor this trinomial. First of all, we know that an x times another x will give me the x squared. Now what I need are factors of negative 8 that are also going to add up to a negative 7. So I'm looking for two numbers I can multiply together to get negative 8, but they must also add up to a negative 7. In this case, we're going to use a negative 8 and a positive 1. Notice how negative 8 times 1 would give me the negative 8, and a negative 8 plus 1 would also add up to a negative 7. Therefore, these are my factors. At this point, I'm going to cancel out some common factors. I've got x minus 8 in my numerator. I've also got an x minus 8 in my denominator. Therefore, I can cancel those out. So what I'm left with is 1 for my numerator and x plus 1 as my denominator. Therefore, the expression x minus 8 over x squared minus 7x minus 8 can be simplified as 1 over x plus 1.